friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete uncategorized pins from Pinterest. So let's say you're going through Pinterest, guys, and you start to make some saves here, you start to save this, save that, and you happen to realize that those saves that you're making are just saving not to a specific board, but it's saving to your profile. And if you hover over any one of these, you can see it shows profile on the upper left hand side. So but if you want to save that to a specific board, then you will just need to click where it says profile, click the drop down, and you'll have the option to save it to a specific board. Let's take this one and save it into tech as an example, right? Now, in order to delete those pins that are just randomly saving elsewhere, not under any board, you just want to click your profile on the upper right hand side, and it's going to take you over to your board. Now, just below the board where you'd have your pins, you will find those uncategorized ideas or unorganized ideas, and these are pins that are saved to your profile but not to a specific board. Any one of these pins that you don't want, let's take this one as an example, right? All I have to do is hover over it and click the pencil icon. This is going to take me into edit pin section. Here it shows basically the board and also shows a section. You can go ahead and you can do that. But to delete this, if you look towards the lower left hand side, there's a delete button. Click on delete, then click on delete again, and it's going to remove the pin from your profile. And that's it. Just go ahead and find those pin, then click on them with a pencil icon, click on delete, and you can delete the pin. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.